izule obvious nami usuqhaqela movious yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngeside kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka nelight.
Welcome to another exciting episode of the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Niyazi-ke mase sifikile ngisuke ngingahambi ngedwa. Archild Africa.
What's up, everybody? My name is Archild Africa. Welcome to another awesome episode. We can't wait to share our guests today.
Yeah. Mhlawumbe nje asikale ngegiye lokubonga wonke ama-creatives nabantu abasebenza nama-creatives e-KZN okumisa o-KZN gallery for holding it down, music imbizo, ama-individuals aphushayo. Siyabona kunama-groups amaningi amanye afaka ama-creatives uthola ukuthi kuyasenda ukuthi kune-event ethize endaweni ethize. Guys, continue doing that nifaka leyo energy because kuyasiza ukuthi sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kephi nini ngubani kanjani. Yo, I can't wait ukuthi si introduce i-guest yanamhlanje.
Muhleni lapho.
Hey, mhlawumbe asithathe leli thuba sithi nje, please can you welcome our guest today, Archild?
So today our guest is a multi-award winning independent female artist who's also a businesswoman, who's a creative, who's a dancer, a choreographer. Yo, angazi umchaza ngimthini, but umrapper, umculi, she's a poet,
an
she
actor.
is a curator. Yes, she's everything.
Ayibo.
She's everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Today our guest is Lumka Fabulous.
Welcome to the Creatives Unplugged, Lumka.
Thank you so much, guys.
Unjani sis?
Finally, I'm here. Finally, I'm here.
Hey, buka muhle kanjani siyaphila and you are a creative the way agquke ngakhona nangendlela i-creator ngakhona.
Yeah.
I-founder yakho.
Yeah.
Ngavele ngayiqala ngalokho nje i-founder yakho. Mhlawumbe singathatha leli thuba sizise wonke umuntu osibukele njengamanje ukuthi masikhuluma ngoLumka Fabulous sikhuluma ngobani. Iyiphi ingoma ongathanda ukuthi sivele sibathi ga ngayo?
Shoo, humble Zabu.
Noma humble Zabu.
Yeah, humble Zabu.
I'll switch a DJ. Hey, nice.
Rapper.
Okay. Exaso rap wakhe. Mhlanje. Wazala.
Humble Zabu. Noma humble Zabu. Humble Zabu. Noma humble Zabu. Humble Zabu. Noma humble Zabu. Noma humble Zabu. Yutugele mazona hupu zikhumbula. Noma humble Zabu. Noma humble Zabu. Noma humble Zabu. Yutugele mazona hupu zikhumbula. Noma humble Zabu. Noma humble Zabu. Noma humble Zabu. Yutugele mazona hupu zikhumbula. Noma humble Zabu. Yutugele mazona hupu zikhumbula. Buye khaya lezo nyembe zinzosula maphusa ngwenzile zenze kuqule. Yeah, when you sizwa zonke phelele igcoka amalamba bakuyeke yazi ukuthi nivele ngeke bakumele. I did you wrong love ngicela ngixolele. Humble Zabu.
Nice.
Amabhala njena.
The whole project was amazing.
Yeah, it
the whole
was.
project.
Yes. That's very nice. Mhlawumbe kulona leli giye high kanjena ngicela ukuthi uthathe lesikhathi utshengise wonke ama-creatives i-background yakho ukuthi masikhuluma ngoLumka ubani igama isibongo uvela kephi nendawo.
Shoo, okay. Taking it back. Lele Friday. Baqulusini Filidi. Started dancing when I was 8 years old. Qale ngokudansa lenda. Yeah. So I would participate kuma school competitions. Ngoqoqa abantwana bangasekhaya sirehezele ekhaya kokwamahlezi it's got yini lento enyenza dlala iredio kakhulu nje rehearse. And then uyazi ke emalokishini kuyaba nama competitions amaphatholo hlezi esibhaqula kodwa sikhona, number 2, number 3 is gone. So the love for art iqale lapho. Esikoleni I was very active in public speaking, debates, acting, yonke into that has to do with art. But obviously I balanced it with the academic parts because I was kind of like number 1, always top of my class from grade 1 to grade 12 because it difficulty qoqwa yimi. So there was that balance. But obviously art it was taking it. In high school ngqala ngabhala poetry. But
ngibhala nje like actual poetry. Mangifika eThekwini, that's where I actually said, that's poetry. I'm a poetry pieces and get into studio and try and see. That is how my rap career started. So I put the rhythm into poetry, which is rap, R-A-P. Rhythm and poetry.
The way engikulalele ngakhona, I'm so coming such a way that's ukuthi angithi, can you please give us one piece
from my poetry
from your
piece?
poetry piece, your writings?
Woman of value, look at her and then acknowledge her, but most importantly, respect her, praise her. But how? Because there are no greater words to express my boundless gratitude for you, oh my woman. Ndlovukazi uyimbokodo ungu mama wesizwe. In your presence, I feel like I'm in the center of a flower garden. You are like a rose, and your sweet sense of perfume colors the ocean breeze. Your skin glows like brown sugar, yet it glows brighter than a million of diamonds.
What? I sang yakhona ngempela. So like growing from this and then high school and then tertiary, maybe you were doing the same thing.
Okay, so when I was in matric, Laleli Radio Kako Kwame is a big radio fan. So given an ad on radio to Mbongen Ngema is auditioning in Maritzburg, and I was like, ngiyamcela mfana uma imali ngiyagibela ngiye eMaritzburg. I was skeptical ukuthi uzohamba eMaritzburg wedwa uyokwenzani lapho, this is my matric, I'm 16. But then she gave me the money. She's like, okay, because I know my mom supports me. She's like, no, I know because into ithandayo, hamba and try your luck. They were auditioning for a play kaBabungema. Unfortunately angenanga, but uBabungema wathi ngizocela ukuthi uqale iMorgan Game Academy. So straight after high school, I already knew my next plan is I'm going to one game. So ngafika babungema ke zasha ngempela lapho, from my raw talent ekhaya. Now I'm learning the intricacy of what art is, because there you study music, you study dance, and not just any dance, like all forms of dance. Ushaya indlamu, ufunda zonke inhlobo ze dance lapha, contemporary, modern dance, and then acting, of course, which is like they focus on theatre. So ufunda nje zonke lezo zinto. That's how I became a triple threat. So this is 2007 now. My mom was skeptical. Like, how parents are. It's like, but she was very supportive. But I need you to study something. Have something to fall back on, which is when I enrolled at DUT, and then that's when I did business management. Wow. So I was like, okay, because I also want to know what happens in the business of music as well. So let me just study business management. I know. I'm like busy.
One lens of bye.
You're busy in a theory, but the practical is calling. I'm always I started up until the third year. I think so whilst I was studying theory, I was like, okay, I can actually put all of this into practice. That's when Fabulous Entertainment came about. It was still a dance company at that time. Fabulous Entertainment and dance company. Ngathola abanye abadancing. Like I was literally scouting for people. I was just literally putting together a group of talented, amazing people where we get together. Stable theatre, we get together, rehearse, and then I would find gigs for them. And that's how we started. Whilst I'm still doing my dancing things, because I used to dance for Bongi Dube, so she was traveling at that time. So I was in between dancing for Bongi Dube and Pulistic. I also danced for Pulistic, Benzinom Zakes. So dancing was the main thing around those times. And then I noticed with dancing comes beauty as well. So ngaqala futhi nga-scout ama-models at the same time, you know, because I saw what it goes hand in hand. Umuntu mefuna ama-dancers for ama-music videos, they would also want models. So ngaqala nga-recruit ama-models omisi, you know, kuba nama-competitions, and then laba bawinayo lapho I would, you know, groom them into what I needed them to be. DJ Tira was my first client, first paying client.
Nice.
So Tira was like, okay, namantombazana. I'm like, yeah, namantombazana. Then I was like, oh, okay, we're shooting, you know. So then I started having that. Yes, serious. We shot serious. DJ Sindo's song as well. Yeah. And then from there, I saw it's okay. This business can, you know, actually take me places. Then from there, yaqhubeka ngempela business lakhula. 2010 nje hayi busy. We were everywhere with my fan parks, dancing everywhere. You know, so
abobani abanye ngoba ngizule no Achard ukuthi wayekhona during that time othi nje Mhliko during that time kunomuntu kanje they were part of the girls that they were dancing on my company during that time. Achard nabani.
Unfortunately, Achard is the only one that actually pursued.
Okay.
Was wafika la khona manje, and I'm proud of her. And I love seeing the journey. Abanye, they ventured into other things. And I don't blame them. The industry is tough. It's very tricky, so it needs you to be really like passionate about what you do.
Maybe same thing with the models as well.
Same thing with the models.
It was a tough time.
Modeling, futhi in Durban is
So your relationship with the Afro, and Nabotera ubehirisha mapha ama skills kunena mhlawumbe ama girls for
the music video, ama video vixens.
Yeah, how was that experience?
It was amazing. Angilanda Makoya.
As I say,
you know, Angilanda Makoya, we go around. It's okay. Ufuna ukuthi bagqoke. Hayi, bagqoka ama swimming costume yabo. Khona ngoba vele se beach bagqoka ama swimming costume. I said, okay. Sambe siyothenga. He would physically fetch me zihambe siyothenga lawo costume. You know what I mean? You know, so it would be so nice. Mangifuna ukwenza ama photo shoots for the girls because portfolios, zip codes. I said, it's fine. You can come to my place. We chill at my brother's place. Sishaya my photo shoots, you know. He was very supportive towards the business lam, and I'm very grateful for that because ngalenda nje, you know, emntwini onezandla ezifudumele.
Nice.
So now obviously kuningi wakwenza. Angifuni nje siskip too far. You know, from the beginning, because you did everything in such a way which was wangena kujika majiga.
Oh God.
Okay.
I'm trying to find footage. I can't find it. But anyway, kushuthi umuntu wayesebenza ngendlela yokuthi when iJika Majiga came to Durban, then we were the first group to be called. Kwathiwe okay, we have this opportunity, we need dancers in Durban. Sacela ukuthi
it was a competition.
Sacela ukuthi nifike nizoparticipate. It's a competition. So I had two groups game of dancers. I had girls and then I had males as well. We landed number 3 as females, and then my male boys landed number 1.
Yeah. I was a big fan. I was watching Jika Majiga every time.
And then so in the experience of just landing like because I know it was serious, right? And it was in Jika Majiga, and there were more things. You were even like Juba promoters, you were even doing the Vodacom, all those things, Vodacom activations. How easy was it then compared to now in terms of the industry, in terms of irreceptibility, in terms of ukuthi futhi abantu bekhokhe? Is there a connection or is there a...
Sure. So I think for me it was easier back then. Nanokuthi mhlambe izinto zayisahamba ngendlela nangohlelo. We are suffering a lot as artists. Artists and musicians. We are suffering a lot with a system when it comes to payments as an artist. Avela be backlogged nje angazi kuphi. Angazi signature kabani nekabani edingekalayo. You know what I mean? So back then uyaspana ukuthola payment yakho.
Done.
You know what I mean?
On the day. Futhi.
Manje, yeah, we have to go through reports, we have to go through waiting for somebody's signature. Ongekho esingamazi ukuthi ubani. You wait 3 months, 6 months, sometimes years.
A year, yeah.
Hayi bo.
For your payment yakho. So I really do think ukuthi abaphezulu, they really need to find a system that is, because that's why ama-artist eshona enganalutho kanje, because imali misifika, there's already
Sekuningi.
izinto also accumulated in terms of expenses. One, we can't get loans, we can't get houses,
Contracts.
you can't buy a car because a system doesn't allow you ngoba indlela the administration
inconsistent.
ebekwe ngayo for us as artists. As nama medical aid, you know, all of those small
Yeah.
things that are required and are necessities. Thina singakwazi ukuwathola.
Yeah.
You know, back then, bekungconywana.
That's a very interesting way of looking at it, because I feel like online it's people like artists famous. Nama, I was one of those people online. They were like, "Ish, I really blow up. I think I will try and maybe manage some." But you can see imali fika sekhona belokuningi sekuyidingo obusubolekile wa accumulator isifika siphela, and where seeing like TV, they're like, how
Wena yiphi imali?
exactly.
Exactly. You know what I mean?
It's about 3.
It's crazy.
It's very tough. And do you think because ngiyabuka ukuthi we dance especially, right? Ukubona ukuthi dala, I feel like njengoba chaza ukuthi iraweza kuwena ecele mhlambe amadances amangaka. Njengamanje abantu abaningi, they just go online and be like, sifuna abantu abangaka bezephulela kuni beqoka ublack phelile. Do you think maybe that's one of the reasons why in Durban we're not making it as much, because I feel like they even fly down Joburg people instead?
Local, it goes back to how we sell ourselves in the administration yet as artists. Ilele lapho, we focus on the passion and then we forget about the actual business of what you are doing. We business if you are an artist.
Presentation.
Awukwazi uvele ungibize nje uthi angize ebeach ngizo dance. You know what I
So
mean?
kunika mhlawumbe noma-
Ibi contract yami to
Yeah.
know and understand ukuthi before ngifike lapho, have you paid my deposits? Before ngifike lapho, you know, is there riders for me? Is there room for me to change as an artist?
The makeup.
Ukuyiphatha kwethu as an artist
eThekwini.
that we need to focus on, and I feel ukuthi nje la eThekwini it's next to non-existent.
Yeah.
I think
Urane company uzugive up.
Uzugive up.
Uzama ukunature italent lama dancers, uzama ukwa distributor. No one understand the concepts.
No, ngoba bakhona ba ready
Yeah.
to just
to just do it anyhow.
Oh, anyhow.
And there's an abundance, and they're willing to take Leo Savan.
yeah, noma lo 100 rand nyana.
Ukugibela.
You know, ukuthi hayi ngizokugibeza.
So sekuyi-threat yalento formal now.
Yeah, exactly.
For it to grow.
So back then, Lumka, you were a powerhouse. Yeah, you still are a powerhouse. But I'm talking about back then, where there were no female people, like there were no females in the game. You had a company that had dancers. You had a company that had models. You had a company that was rehearsing in a certain space that no one knew how to even get to Stable Theatre. How do you even discover that? How was it being one of the rose amongst the thorns in an industry like that back then in Durban? Were you more respected then than you are now?
With the respect part, I think it goes like how I said before, how you handle yourself. So with Ulumka, I've always treated myself as a powerhouse. I've always treated myself as a big brand. And if I come with that approach, now I'm going to approach it anyhow.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? And if you do approach me anyhow, ngizokubeka endleleni yakho, because I know myself, I know my strength, I know my passion, and I do not want anybody that's gonna mess with or fiddle with that. You know what I mean? So obviously there'll be people who would try their things,
Yeah, of course.
as males.
Yeah.
Even with females as well. You step into a room, you don't even know me, you don't know my capabilities, but you know, but always treat them with kindness, you know, fight back with kindness. You know what I mean? Male, with that attitude, you want to go, you know what I mean? kunjani namhlanje niyaphila baba ayinathi siyaphila or ukuthi nokuthi kungakuphi, you know, professional all the time. I think my journey has just always been fruitful because of the approach that I put within my brand.
So now, njobo i-brand yakhe se-evolvile, you still obviously are capable of providing any type of talent.
Yeah.
But now you've evolved in such a way that you are now the marketing the head of marketing and media at Bat Center. How do you now, because I know what your company handles all those things.
Yeah.
So you're not just you're not necessarily. I've never really seen you as an employee. You always. But somehow you're getting into these spaces because you want to make sure because you're still the boss lady. You want to be flexible because you want to be also be. I'm on to go to 8 to 5. 4 walls. So now I see you doing amazing things at Bat Center. What's that about?
Okay, so I own a company. Okay, if Fabulous Entertainment and Dance Company involved into the Fun House, I dropped to Fabulous because I'm Limka Fabulous. I was like, okay, let me remove myself from the business. Go be business. Yeah, you know what I mean. So it moved from Fabulous Fun House to just the Fun House. We have a lot of fun. So Fun House is a digital content creation company. We also do social media management, and then we just focus merely on brand development. So brand development, it's not just for individual brands. So we also target our ad centers and anything that has to do with entertainment as well. So one of our clients is Bat Center and the Ushwini Pan-African Center.
Oh yeah, Ushwini.
Yeah, so we deal with ad centers as a digital content creator, as well as the digital marketing side of things.
Yes.
And see, you're not just doing that though. You're also coordinating things. You're also coordinating events. You're coordinating. Is that also still part of a Fun House?
Yes, ngena kanjalo phela ngithi it's okay. Ngizonenzela ukuthi mangifika phakathi babona ukuthi how you also do this. Then I'm like, yeah, I also do that as well. So that's how the business grows. Ukuthi they see all the services that I'm able to offer, then we just piggyback on that.
Yeah.
Smart.
So I want to know the difference. Maybe when we treat her as a company and then yama agents foot, it's not like your business, totally agent type of business. It's a strictly like public or limited.
Yes, it's a PTY Ltd. Yeah. We are an arts and culture practitioner.
Oh, yes.
Basically. So I don't want to treat it as an agency simply because a company, what we always emphasize is we don't want to do things for you.
Oh yeah.
As the artist, we don't want to give you as a company, we don't want to give you the fish. We want to teach you how to fish. You know, so that's why we have our workshops teaching the artists about the music, the business music of things. How do you brand yourself as an artist? We do concept shoots for them, profiles for them. You know, just brand them from ekaleni go by artist up until you know they grow bigger into the industry.
So the role of your company, like for instance at the Bat Center, you are seeking for customers for them as a Bat Center, or you just are there to guide as an agent?
Yeah, so we do concept developments for them. So if there's something that they want to do, they'll say, okay, heritage, what, you know, then we sit down and we look at how can we then digitalize that, because everything sits digitally manje. So we just develop that concept, and then everything that's social media, we handle that for them.
Okay, so I've seen Uti also you thrive in working with Abantu that you've always known, because I even know Uti makeup artist. I don't know how many years you've worked with her. There's so many people that they still work with till this date. I don't know, 2011.
Oh, yeah.
2011. So we still work together.
Still today.
Still till this day.
If I need anything, I know.
Yeah, nice.
So
I like that.
Do you think how does that play a role in helping you identify the direction or trajectory of your company and your brand, and how does that help in making continually consistent in terms of Guti? This is what you're looking for. This is what you want to do, as well as now. How does that?
A child. I always say, you deprive yourself from greatness. You deprive your own self, because how you put yourself forth as a brand or as an artist or as whatever I call you in for. Bese uyafambula.
Yeah.
Ngizophuma nje kuwena same time.
And Abu Street.
Ngizophuma nje kuwena same time. But if you're that person, even if you do make mistakes, but I see ukuthi no, lo muntu really, wants to get to where they want to get to. Kodwa umuzo shana flop.
And ngiyabona ukuthi, and even back in the day, like umuntu nje may late bye.
Exactly, because like treat yourself
Come on,
as
let's
a
go.
brand.
Yeah, well,
Be professional.
Yes.
Yeah. That's insane though. But I also noticed ukuthi brand yakho, you deal a lot with women empowerment because khona inzala abantu oyayenza that you were showcasing abantu besifazane and ukuthi how it starts iqala kwinzala abantu izifike la. Is that a theme amongst your company that you want to focus on women or namachita nje?
I think there's an era for themes, Dirty Mojito was my first EP. Dirty Mojito bengingedwa. Well, not really solo in terms of the execution, but the music
tracks.
projects bengingedwa, but in terms of now the execution and going to showcase, then that's when I fetched a child. I fetched a couple of Durban dancers. It was a female empowered movement. And I think with Ulumka, there's a lot of things that I've gone through as a person. Rape being one of them. I'm a rape victim. I'm a gender-based violence victim. So I do feel there's a gap where we as musicians need to utilize that gap and speak forth and then be the voice for laba bangakwazi ukukhulumela. And then I look around me and I see which female artists live similarly to or speak to that specifically. And then I take those brands and then we just we go forth as a movement. Sikhulume women empowerment, sikhulume women inequality, sikhulume with everything that has to do with abantu besifazane, so that we give them that space, we give them that safe space as well. But it's not to say ukuthi angisebenzi nabantu besilisa ngoba ngabafuni Nkosi yami weshwela ngoba ngabafuni. But I have opened up manje with the current EP that's going on. I did open up, so it's not just only females.
Because ngiyabona ukuthi usiphethele egcineni usiphethele ubhuti ozoperforma naye. Okay.
Yeah, so it's not just with this current one. So that's why I'm saying ukuthi there's an era for every
Nice.
Every leveling up, there's an era for it.
And then I always touch on this when mangibone artists. So I know that you're very big on your faith. Ngiyakubona on Instagram. I mean, with TikTok, I'm a poster and stuff. How is that? How has that impacted your journey throughout because I know you've gone through ups and downs. You've gone through a lot, and you have evolved from the Lumka that we know from the Fabulous Entertainment and Dance Company to the Lumka Oifan House.
Yeah, that child. So I can safely say I'm reborn, a newly created human being. Nice. And you're right, Mutsi, I've evolved because kuningi that I've gone through as Ulumka lo wakudala. And I was doing things from my own strength. You know what I mean? And then ngempela to such an extent nje ukuthi I was just like, this life thing. Let me stop this whole life thing. I was like, sis, no. You're bigger than that. Find the source. Because if on umi off awazi uyisebenzisa. Why? Because it's not plugged to the source. You need to plug it to a source first, and then it becomes yaqali batch manje yaboy. You know what I mean? So I had to find the source and then plug into the source.
Love that.
And then I'm alive now.
Hallelujah. That's the most awesome.
Mina ngifuna ukuthola la ukuthi why hip hop? Angithushilwa to evolve from poetry and then hip hop. There are many genres, and ngendlela osukhulume ngayo with your business, indlela umuntu oyena. Why hip hop?
Yo, angazi there's something about
Right?
hip hop.
That's a good question because you would think it should be
'Cause
like
now-
traditional music, right?
Yeah.
There's just something about hip hop. Nanoguthi ingvulele for me because
Yeah.
amanye genres, especially even with the layout of how you deliver, right? It's the hook, the verse, you know,
Yeah.
and Nakona Limited.
Yes.
And you keep some of the songs you keep repeating the same, but with hip hop you can just go
Yes.
16, you can go 32.
Yeah.
Say a lot of things,
Yeah.
you know, at once in one song.
Yeah.
Yes, of course you can do that with other genres, but it's not like hip hop. Like,
Hey,
there's
yeah.
something
Yeah.
different with hip hop. And ngiyayithanda
Yeah.
just generally. I grew up listening to Eminem. I think that's where
Yeah. You're a
that's
real
where I
one.
get my that's where I get my
Angithi vele
spits.
kudala, like mostly hip hop was started for putting the message across.
Exactly
There were
what I
things
mean.
as I serious. I'm talking about abantu abanjengabo KRS-One who are speaking sense on the mic. Ababe qale hip hop ukukhulisa into eyayenzeka ngaleso sikhathi
Yeah.
around befuna
Storytelling.
ukuyidlulisa kwabanye abantu, and then it went yakhula yaze yaba into edethi, yaba into confused, confusion.
Ish,
And then
degrading.
sayibuyisa futhi yabuya njengoba manje sesiyazi ukuthi it's how we feel.
Exactly.
Sisisho ukuthi sifila kanjani. So akhona amanye ama-genres okubuye uthephe kona uthi kodwa ayimhleko ipiano ngibuye ngiligibele.
Ngiyagibela
Ngibuye
vele.
ngingene igqomo ngiyangena phela ngowaseThekwini.
Yes.
Kuyenzeka izinto ey'kanjalo.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mina nje-artist
Multidisciplinary, multi-genre.
I will
Yes.
rap on it.
Yes.
That's all.
Kuzobe igqomo but I
Yeah.
will rap on it.
Yeah.
Ukucula ke futhi ngiyakwazi. I'm blessed nje.
Nice.
Nokufunda ngiyakwazi. So for me it's not really about the genre. Yes, I'm a rapper, I'm a hip hop artist, but I tap into anything.
Yeah.
I tap into anything.
Because I saw you on maybe it was a show. There was a vocalist, there was a band, and then you were rapping at the Pet
Mina nje
Center.
angisakwazi ukuphefoma my backtrack.
Yeah.
Hey, futhi, hey,
Yeah.
you get it.
Ngihamba
Band.
neband. I've
Get it.
been
Oh,
for
nice.
years because it also with the backtrack uba limited.
Uba
Ngoba manje
limited.
nayo ingoma isiphelile la. Kanti
Yeah.
with the band I can even go off the song and just
Yeah.
say whatever else
Yeah.
that I want to
Mayisaqala.
say.
Shay medley.
You know
Yeah.
what I mean? So yeah, music is life, guys.
Who is in your band? If you don't mind, who is in your band? Abantu kusebenza nabo,
Ensenza
because we end up forgetting labantu laba abakuyibona
Okay.
basizayo. Obani labo?
Okay,
okhuluma ngabo?
in Durban, I'm a sessionist maning, and in
Yeah.
Durban, I'm a sessionist. You would play for one gig with Lama
Yeah.
sessionist lawa, and then uthola ukuthi for the next gig.
Yes.
So wabanye bayazana kodwa bonke.
Mm.
You know, bakhona ama-drummers oluthando, ama-pianist onjinji osibu baningi bayazana
Yes,
bodwa,
yes.
ama-bass olwazi.
Oh,
So if
nice.
ulwazi akekho ulwazi uzobiza omunye yazayo.
Yeah.
Ngoba futhi bancane-ke eThekwini, so
Yeah.
uthola ukuthi uCharles is performing somewhere ufuna ukuperforma neband, nami I'm performing somewhere ngifuna ukuperforma
Yeah.
neband, you know, so bahlukaniselana kanjalo
Yes.
umsebenzi.
This is another scale of performance and hip hop. Cause manje when you
giving AKA.
it's you pay for the band. You have
Exactly.
people abazofika kanjalo. Thina sasifika ku hip hop show umhliko ngiphethe beat ngizoyirephela nje. But now this is another scale of saying let me have abantu engizorehearsa nabo sonke, and igcina serious ngale ndlela enithatha ngayo.
Exactly.
Yeah,
It
that's
becomes
nice.
a professional package.
Yeah.
Because indlela opackage yonke into ngayo. The band comes onto stage, bagqoke kahle bebahle.
Yes.
And kube kuhle nje yonke into
Yeah.
ibe.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Artist nalo li serious kufika stage ligqokile lihle,
Right.
makeup
And
yonke into.
that's literally what I'm trying to ask next. Ukuthi fethu uma uqhamuka kodwa hleze kubonakala ukuthi ulumko sefikileke. Ubunje ugqoke kanjani? Who are you wearing and how njalo you make sure.
uyagqokiswa nawe.
Ufuna ukwazi usegqokiswa yini or uyenza njani? Because njalo uqhamuka kunje.
Ngiba nento engqondweni because
Oh,
angikwazi
yeah.
ukudweba. I'm not a designer. Then I
Yes.
speak to my design. I have a team of
Oh,
designers.
nice.
And then I just speak to either Udu, you know, whoever designs for me. Ngithi ke ngicela ungenzele ukuthi, then we'll sit down
Yeah.
and then he does it for me. Afike sifithe, and then I go and perform.
And then uqinisile mawuthi i-presentation yakho iyakwazi ukuthi i-command respect because ngeke uze ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe ekuthathe the same way as umuntu mhlawumbe nje egqoke lo phaka.
Exactly, like ungena kanjani how are we supposed to respect you as an artist?
Yeah.
Because it's a package.
Yes.
Yeah, it needs to be packaged. Bonakala ukuthi lo muntu icabangile lento. And today, what was the inspiration behind this outfit? Because uthoni ucabanga into.
Ngithe ngiyendaweni enama-color fonts are blue na red.
Oh,
and then I was
nice.
just like,
Uyimonile.
Yes. Wathi
wanted to blend
ngizobe
in.
ngihleli nama-creative
You know what I
namhlanje.
mean?
Nice. So,
Yeah.
okay. So many things you've done. Now, I heard ukuthi because I know what's going to perform party yona today.
Yes.
It's taken from something that you've been working on. And I know ukuthi khona abantu abanjengo T-Bag as well that you've worked with.
yes.
So take us through that project, Le.
Okay, Loading EP. Loading EP is not just a musical offering. It is a program where I decided to take on 10 aspiring musicians in Durban and take them through a process of brand development and music business workshops. So we sat down with all the musicians. We found out ukuthi wena, what is your goal? What is your vision? What is your mission? All of them are low in social media. All of them, abanye bebe nama profiles, but some profiles are, a Word document profile. And then we looked at all of that, and then we said, okay, what we will offer then for you is a full turnaround, rebrand. So we did concept shoots for them. We did
Nice.
profiles for them.
10.
Yes. We did profiles for them. We took them in with industry gurus. They sat down with them and they were taught about the business of the music, how to sign up onto all the CMOs or Sampra or Samro, Capasso, Risa. Some of them didn't even know what
it
those
was.
CMOs do and what they are. You know what I
What
mean?
is the CMO? What does it stand for?
CMO, Collective Management Organization.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so it's
Nice.
the organizations that collect royalties.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was just a process. Ukuthi asingeni nje studio sirekhode. Yes, you have the talent, but how do you back up talent lakho as a musician? Then I took them to a Wushuni Pan-African Center for a studio camp. Sahlale studio camp, we reminisced on sugileke lana, what's the next step, what do we do, where do we go? Sangene studio, sa recorder. Then after recording, I decided to do the Branded Voices Unveiled performance, which is where I think you saw the live performance that I was doing. So that showcase was basically just me trying to see ukuthi, what have they learned throughout. They needed to then now show us, okay, this is what I've learned. Ngiphatha nje as an artist. This is how I hold the mic, not lento. Like, why do you do that? You know what I mean? So we needed to check the levels of okufundile, now put it into practice. It was a beautiful, amazing event. Everyone pulled through.
Nice.
Everyone showcased. It was amazing. And
we also invited as the creatives. No. Not kuphela manje. How?
story for another day. Story for another day.
Yes.
So yeah, sibhizi nje ngayo Loading EP angifuna ukuyijaha. You know what I mean? Ngifuna ukuthatha isikhathi because not just me. There's other people involved and fanele ngibacathulise ngendlela. But it's beautiful souls that have so much talent. There's talent in Durban, guys.
Kanjani ama-genres kuyona
There's
i-EP?
talent in Durban.
Ikanjani?
Okay, so the EP yona itself, it's a spiritual based EP.
Yes.
It is still hip hop, but it's more musical manch because there's a lot of voices. You know what I mean? People bayacula ngempela. So this time ngizolanda abaculi ngempela. You know, so yeah, there's also, I'm an instrumentalist, and I didn't just stop there. I involved people who do photography as well, people who do videography as well, and I was like, nah, but by a platform, you know,
It's an ecosystem.
Yes, it is an ecosystem. So umuntu good kulento ayenzayo, but akazi ukuthi how to move forward with the business of videography or of now imagine having to shoot 10 people. That's a portfolio on its own. You know what I mean? So it is a hip hop EP. but it's gospel rap. Let me put it like
yes,
that.
yes.
It's gospel rap.
Nice.
We're spreading the
Nice.
word through
Yeah.
hip hop.
Nice.
Because I didn't want to when the gospel.
Yeah.
You know, I can't sing, but I don't like singing.
I get it.
That's
I
why
get you,
ngilanda
babe.
abantu abaculayo to sing on my behalf.
Nice.
Mhlawumbe your message nje sisakhuluma kanjalo kuma creatives nabantu abaningi abathanda ukwenza more. Ungathini kubona basibukele njengamanje?
Shoo, to get to your comfortable zone,
Yeah.
get out of your comfort zone. Ngoba manje inkinga funa ukwenzelwa wena
Yeah.
njalo lumkafethu awungenzeli profile.
Emyorobheka ke mawazi
You
uzenzela.
know, lumkafethu
Yeah.
awungenzele into kaSample awuzenzeli ngani wena. You know what I mean?
Robheka kanjalo.
Like just learn how to do it for yourself so that noma usuthola opportunity yokufika eindaweni zangempela, you know ukuthi abantu ngebakurobhe because you
Yeah.
already know
Exactly.
how to do it, or at least uyazama ke.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's why ngafuna ukunika lo fish. Ngeke unike.
Yeah,
I will teach you how to
Eish,
doba.
bra, vele umfundisi.
Ngizokufundisa ukuthi
Eish.
uzodoba kanjani.
You do have something before we close?
Yeah, I want to know what are you going to be performing with us for us today and with who?
Okay, so namhlanje we're giving guys Ibala. Ibala is the first single from Reloading EP.
Oh, nice.
Masithi Ibala. Yes, exclusive.
Exclusive.
We're dropping on the 31st of October.
Okay.
So this is literally a song about hope.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
So we are speaking to our younger selves in the song. Ukhuluma naloya lumka omncane who was suffering without a dad. Ukhuluma naloya lumka omncane who was attacked by a random guy and was raped. Ukhuluma naloya lumka who was in a relationship thinking ukuthi usemathandweni
Uyathandwa
kanti
kanti.
uzokuponya.
Eish,
You know,
yeah.
so it's
Yeah.
literally a song of hope
Yeah.
where we say every single day is a blessing. Ukuvuka kwakho
Yeah.
kuyisibusiso. The breath of fresh air uyaphefumula, you are healthy. Unophahla phezu kwekhanda lakho, that is a blessing. So ithi bali izibusiso zakho.
Bali izibusiso zakho.
Nice.
Boop, boop,
So and
boop,
then on
boop.
socials, how do we find you?
Oh yes, on socials you can find your girl at Lumka Fabulous. So that's LUMKAHFABULAS. Lumka Fabulous across all social media platforms.
Period.
And then where now? So
I'm Archop Africa across all social media platforms, and that's The Creatives Unplugged podcast on Instagram and TikTok.
Nice.
Wena?
Sesiphuma mina bayangazi.
Oh, wow.
Umhliko wafethu on Facebook and also on TikTok usihle wakandima. Ngifuna ukuphuma la ngemessage ethi Divine revelation of truth asithi shelele helele ngefuture sinhlelele follow your heart le imbali kumele uyichelele big dreams big goals njengomkhelele come do zakusiza ukuthi umelele sikuthelele it's like knowledge orange hluba we rhyming rather than running mase kushuba mentally physically ohlala uzilolonga life is too short oh no sifuna longa siyayonga impilo siyayixilonga I'm the rhyme nonga yes I do it for the cause ngivele ngishaye ngezulu ngikhohlo but no because Sesiphuma, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to
Creatives
subscribe.
Unplugged podcast.
Thank you,
Siyabonga guys.
Lumka.
Bye.
Yes.
Yeah, Yeah, abambazela, abegezela, aphokophela, aqinisela ntwana uzophumelela.
Emhlabeni izinhlupheko zethu lisihubo lethu kepha lapho zingasekho lopheleli ihubo lethu.
bekezela press up push up panda uzophumelela tomorrow's never promised today he used to lay his hands on me couple of times but I would still stay manipulation on the rise cause I grew up without a father figure then left between love and hate grew bigger and bigger just my baby dollar pants ngambizo alpha na omega bigger manje I'm a superstar I'm a super mega pasaka kispana tata skankethe tamatata I'm a shatter nami ngiyakwazi ukulala ngehand it broke my heart when I go into bed without a sup it's even worse that his whole life he doesn't even know his father ngena ngamawazi uma sengifuna lezakhe I didn't stutter bas mina cause ngoba ngifuna impilo apha so bambezela awubekezela aphoko phela ntwana uzophumelela
Mhlaba ngedola phansi ngibekela umveli nganga noma kuphela ithemba endleleni ngihlala emkhulekweni ungamthemba uNkulunkulu wena uthembeni umkhulu womkhulu umfihlakalo mdali wezulu shintsha impilo yami uyisuse phansi ubeke phezulu esibhakabhakeni esicongweni ngempumelelweni phuma ekuhluphekeni vuka ekuseni ngihambe ngetohweni somanje uvumile soshintshe simedladleni khali liqilongo hlabelela wesayona ngali nguhluleke ehlahla indlela abantu abakhona ngifikelwa amahloni ukufeka impilo ibhizi ungakayiboni benza ngamabomu nangumkhulu emehle nakaboni kodwa uhlalele ethembeni ukhona umveli nganga noma kubuhlungu enhlizweni umkhulu uhlezi esihlalweni asilime etsheni ngiyahamba ungabatsheli thandazani wakholwa khulekani